I don't know, I think 800 bucks maybe is reasonable. I mean, yeah, I could definitely sleep in there. Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. I was just busy negotiating an Airbnb monthly rent for this 13D Mokto. It's time for Boot of the Week. For today's Boot of the Week, we're actually going to be talking about leathers of the week. You saw a previous video where we talked about our 1964 Easy Break-In versus our Max Support leathers. And today I want to show you some more up-close footage of what these boots actually look like. This is the new 1964 Easy Break-In Tan as compared to the Max Support Tan. You can see that this is a little bit more yellow. That's because it's got a lot of oils in it. The Max Support Tan is much more natural because it doesn't have oil in it. Thus, it's a little bit more stiff and requires some more break-in. The rough outside of these, as you look in here, you can see the rough out is a little bit darker. That again is because the tannery is saturating this with oil. The rough out on the Max Support is more of a kind of a natural nubuck look. So when you're deciding between the two tans, you're going to get a little bit darker on the 1964 Easy Break-In just because of all the added oils. The second leather is the chocolate Max Support in 1964. This boot here is made out of the Max Support chocolate. You can see it has a very rich color, almost burgundy. The rough outside is very suede-y, lighter color, as compared to the 1964 chocolate, which again, the smooth, almost identical, but the rough out, you can see how much darker that is. That's because all of the waxes and oils have penetrated this leather. So when you're deciding Max Support versus break-in, keep in mind that the 1964 Easy Break-Ins are gonna be a little bit darker because they got more oil in them. The Max Supports are gonna be a little bit lighter in color because they're lacking that oil. Ultimately, both boots are gonna look the same, Max Support versus non-Max Support, once you get all the oils on them. Yeah, I think that'd be cool. We could call it a, a mitten, but with an N, like a Nix mitten. Yeah, I think a Nix knitting would be cool. What do you think? For the winter time?